So how far with your content creation, Sha? Guy, leave me, I don't suffer, no be small. I'm on my way to watch Coach Mira AI tutorial. Oh yeah, let's go.
I just wake up now. Grok don't disappear. Wait, oh, I think say and only me. I don't see him again. You guys are darling. Babe, show us the way now. Ewo, relax, Coach Mira. I will show you two free tools to use. Coach Mira, over to you, ma'am.
Lately, a lot of people have been asking how to keep using AI tools now that Grok is no longer fully free. In this video, I'm going to show you a new AI tool you can start using for free. Yes, it has some limits, but it's still powerful enough to get real work done. So, without wasting your time, let's dive right in.
First, go to your browser and type Quen AI. As you can see, this is how the logo looks like. The first one you are seeing here, select Quen AI. All right, now when you select Quen AI, you're going to select Explore AI APL. Click on it. Now when you click on it, it's going to bring you to this interface. As you can see, you have to sign up with your Google account. Make sure you sign up with your Google account. All right, this AI tool is loaded. This AI tool is loaded. Now you are going to verify that you are not a robot, that you are a human. So click there and it's going to verify by itself. When you scroll down, you're going to see a lot of features. You're going to see text to video, image to video, video to video, video editing. You're going to see speech to video, lip sync, text to image, image to image, and a lot of them. And you're going to see amazing models. These are amazing AI models you can work with. These are amazing AI models. Now you are going to select the search bar. All right, scroll up and select the search bar and type Grock AI. Okay, type Grock AI. Now Grock AI has emerged. Select. Okay, select, try it. Now it's going to bring you to this interface. Okay, it has image to image, image to video, text to video, upscale, text to image. So choose the one that resonates with you. Okay, now I'm gonna select image to video. Okay, so click on image to video. When you click on it, you have to scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Now we are going to remove this image that is here. As you can see, there's an image there. Just remove it. Select add image. So I'm going to choose an image of my choice and open it. Then it's going to be displayed here. Okay, it's going to be displayed here. Right now our image is uploaded. The next thing you're going to do is to scroll down, scroll down, scroll down until you see prompts. Now we are going to highlight the previous prompt here and paste my own prompt. Okay, just highlight it and paste your prompt. Okay, now after that you're going to see run. Don't click on run first before setting this up. Now you're going to scroll down. Just scroll down. When you scroll down, you're going to see 6 seconds and 10 seconds. Select 10 seconds. They're going to see 480p and 720p. Actually, I selected 480p because you're using the free method. Okay, now after setting this up, you are going to click on run. Click on run. Run is the same thing as generate and also the same thing as create. When you scroll up, you're going to see your video generator. As you can see, it is generating so fast. It doesn't waste much time. Now let's see the results. I'm going to click on it and play it. Let's see the results. All right, just click on it and play.
I just wake up now. Grok don't disappear. Wait, oh, I think say and only me. I don't see him again. You guys are darling.
Now this is amazing. This is amazing. It followed the script one after the other. It followed the script one after the other, and I love the outcome of the result. All of them spoke at a pace. They were not talking at the same time. They were talking one after the other. Okay, after creating your videos, if you love the outcome, kindly click here and download. It will automatically be downloaded into your files. Okay, now I'm going to edit the dialogues and type some things to it, and we are going to use the same characters, and let's see the outcome of the video.
Babe, show us the way now. Ewo, see my babe get better for relax. Coach Mira, I will show you two free tools to use relax. Coach Mira, over to you, ma'am.
The result wasn't too pleasing to me, okay, but I'll still download it. All right, so if yours didn't come out well, all you have to do is to type your prompt and hit generate. Okay, again, so the next thing you're going to try out is text to video. The first one was image to video. Now we're going to try out text to video. Okay, now beside image to video, you're going to see text to video. Click on text to video. Now you're going to scroll down. When you scroll down, you're going to see prompts. This is where you're going to paste your prompts. So I'm going to highlight all these prompts and paste mine. Pasting it, you're going to see generate. As you can see, mine is generating. It's done generating. As you can see, this is the video. So I'm going to click on play and listen to it.
So how far with your content creation, Sha? Guy, leave me. I don't suffer no be small. I'm on my way to watch Coach Mira AI tutorial. Oh yeah, let's go.
Oh, this is incredible. Okay, so as you can see, mine is so beautiful. Okay, the background that I use in my prompt and the dialogue, everything came out nice. Okay, so all you have to do is to click here and download it to your files. All right, yeah, now the next thing we're going to try out is text to image. So select text to image and highlight and paste your prompt. You can generate a quality images using this same AI tool, and it is free. Okay, so I'm going to paste it and change the aspect ratio and hit run. Let's see the result. Now this is the image that is generated. Okay, you can tweak your prompts. Now the best aspect of it is that generate 4 images at once. You can choose the one that resonates with you. Choose the one that resonates with you. The next option you're going to choose is image to image. Now you can choose any image of your choice and recreate it just like the one that is being displayed here. The first one is written Titanic. The next one that was recreated was what? Catanic. So you can choose your image and you can create it. Okay, now I went to my file and I uploaded an image of my choice. Now what I did was recreating the prompt. So I said that this lady should be dancing with a prince. I actually recreated this, keeping the face consistent. Now it's going to generate the image for us. Now this is wonderful. Can you see? It is keeping the lady's face consistent. Okay, and she's dancing with a prince. So you can try out any model of your choice, try it out and see the result yourself. Okay, so the next AI tool you're going to explore is called Quen Chat. It's called Quen AI. Just go to your browser and type Quen AI. You can as well go to your Play Store and download Quen AI. So click on it. Now when you click on it, it's going to bring you to this interface. All right, you're going to in this AI tool, you have to sign up with your Google account. All right, so when you sign up, you're going to see these options will pop out. Okay, so I'm going to click on the plus icon. When I click on the plus icon, I'm going to select create videos. All right, so click on create videos. All right, click on create videos. Click on it and interface is going to pop out like this. So I'm going to choose your aspect ratio. Mine is 16:9. Now your aspect ratio depends on what you are working with, so I'm going to choose 16:9. Then this is where I'm going to paste my prompts. So I'm going to paste my prompts here. All right, and hit generate. Okay, now our video is generating. I'm going to wait for a few seconds and it will be ready. Now this is the result. So I'm going to right click on it. Okay, if you want to download it, just right click on it and select download. Now I'm going to click on the video and let's see the results.
So I can still do this for free. I really thought it was over. Maybe this isn't as bad as I thought.
Okay, this is already generating. Okay, now the video is ready. Let's see the
No way. It was this easy. It just gave me exactly what I needed. Okay, I'm actually enjoying this. Wait, this is actually impressive.
I didn't expect this level of creativity. This might be better than I imagined. So,
I can still do this free.
I really thought it's over. Maybe this isn't as bad as I thought.
I hope this tutorial helped you discover a solid free AI option you can start using today. If you found it helpful, kindly like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more updates on the latest AI tools, both free and paid. See you in the next video.